Okay, today boys we're going to be looking at division again, but before we start I'd like you to try these few sums using repeated subtraction that we did the last day. Okay, moving on now. So we are learning to today use the subtraction method to solve word problems, recall and use the root word problem strategy that we did in class before, and explain and use the root strategy. Okay, so this is an example of a word problem, boys. I'm going to be using the root strategy as an example for you again. We're going to solve it together, and then I'm going to set you two to do on your own as well. Okay, so Rathalgan GA Club are holding a raffle. Michael has 252 tickets to sell. He sold 28 every day until he had sold all his tickets. How many days did it take him to sell 252 tickets, or all the tickets, right? So we know our root strategy, boys. Let's just go through it again so we all understand and make sure we know. So read the question twice, very important. The U, underline the keywords or numbers. 3, draw a picture or diagram to help yourself solve the problem. And 4, estimate your answer and execute. So we've read the question once, boys, so we're going to read it a second time. We're at Logan GAA Club are holding a raffle. Michael has 252 tickets to sell. He sold 28 tickets every day until he had sold all his tickets. How many days did it take him to sell all 252 tickets? Okay. Now, keywords, boys. So I went through the question and I picked out some of the keywords or phrases or numbers that I thought we were going to need to solve this problem. Right. So first thing I picked out was 252 tickets. So we definitely know at the start we had 252 tickets. That's going to be important. Okay. Second thing, we sold 28 tickets a day. So I put in 28 tickets a day. Very important. All sold. So we want to know when all the tickets were sold. Okay. Not when there was a few left or when there was some amount left. How many days until all the tickets were sold? And then the last part, how many days? It's even in red in the question, boys, because it's the most important part. Okay. So going through my solution, very simply, I come up with a plan. Right, I'm going to continuously take away 28 and see how many days it takes me to get to 0. Okay, so very simply, I set up my question, 252 my dividend, the sideways L, and 28, because we're dividing by 28. And the way we're solving the problem, boys, is we keep taking away 28. So we repeatedly take away 28, or repeated subtraction. That's where the name comes from, okay? So I took away 28 from 252. You can count them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. And when I took away 28 9 times, I got 0. So there were 0 tickets left after 9 days. Okay, so if we keep taking away 28 tickets each day from 252, we see that we can subtract 252. We can subtract 28 from 252 9 times. Okay, so therefore 252 divided by 28 is 9, or it took 9 complete days to sell the tickets. Okay, so what you're going to do for me now, boys, is you're going to have 2 questions to solve, and you're also going to have maybe 1 question on the root strategy as well. So I'd like you to try that in your copies and then upload it to Google Classroom. Okay, hope you're all keeping well and stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Slán, boys.